In the world that we're in today, where we've always had the security that's currently in place, what you're starting to see is new vectors from generative AI that have never been taken into account on a lot of these systems. So what that's resulting in is a lot more very realistic identities that are not actually real people. And so, you have to reevaluate a lot of your security stack, and you have to start thinking about it in a very different way, because generative AI is being used by bad actors in a multitude of ways to continue to perform nefarious acts. Leveraging generative AI as a defensive mechanism by evaluating every facet of the identity when it is presenting itself, and being able to look not only at all of the attributes together, but each one independently. Our email risk model, for instance, uses generative AI to determine the complexity of whether or not the characters that are entered in an email address are likely to be tied to the true individual. And so it's really in the minutia that it gets interesting, but more importantly, I think what we're seeing in the States is a lot of attempts at using these generated images of driver's licenses and individuals that do actually look like the individual that's in the driver's license, by not only leveraging our document verification module, but also being able to determine whether or not the individual that is presenting themselves presents any kind of, or is trying to present any kind of presentation attack. So whether that be a session inject or taking a picture of a picture, it allows us to use generative AI as a defensive mechanism. So being able to leverage tools like Socure allows states to stay one step ahead of fraudsters and really protect their people and the taxpayer.